while since I've done a vlog on a day that, you know, Richie didn't have off, and so I figured I'm gonna do one today. Ari and Richie are currently making pancakes, but specifically for her, because Richie and I have decided to start eating healthy again, which we kind of stopped for a while there. And quite a while there. Quite a while. And Richie and his co-workers kind of have a bet going on to see who's gonna lose the most amount of weight in a month. And so it starts today.
Well, it started this past Friday. It's Monday. It started this past Friday, but it was Super Bowl weekend.
So it starts today.
Alright. Let's stop with your spoon.
Yeah.
Hey, what color do you want?
Purple.
Purple. You want purple pancake? Let's go with that, because I have no idea how much of this I'm actually going to use. Hold on. Hold on. Can Daddy help? Please, please. Mama, watch her with those.
Mm-hmm.
Look!
Look, purple pancakes!
Do you want more purple? You want more purple, or is this purple enough?
Boo-boo.
More
It's gonna
purple. Yeah.
Green eggs!
Green eggs.
And because it's just my luck, like minutes after Richie leaves, the toilet handle decides to break. Well, not necessarily break, but yeah, something definitely went wrong. Like, here, look at this. Look at this. What? I know nothing about toilets. I mean, not nothing. I know like minimal. But am I supposed to screw this little thing? Am I supposed to push that into that? Like, I don't know. Call Richie. See what he says. So in classic When It Rains, It Pours. As soon as I got off the phone with Richie, I get a text from my mom saying that my step-great-grandma died. So that's... yeah. Now I'm just nervously awaiting bad thing number 3, because bad things always happen in 3s. And yeah. It's turning out to be a great day. Yeah? Yeah. I'm just gonna clean up some of Ari's stuff and focus on not bad stuff for a second. Yeah. I think I'm gonna do that. Ta-da! You got your flashcards. Yeah, I know I didn't do a before shot, but it's significantly cleaner. Well, I am just relaxing with the girls right now. Look at Iris on this side and Ari on this side. Kicking off the blanket that she just wanted, of course. Huh? We're watching Boss Baby. Huh? You like Boss Baby? What you doing? Uh-huh. It's so funny how much easier she falls asleep. Oh, I'm sorry. That's all. She's gonna pass out in a second again. It's fine. It was so funny. My mom was holding her yesterday and she just kept going. Ari, I don't remember Ari doing that. Like, we used to have to, you know, rock her for a while, or I'd have to nurse her to fall asleep. This is like a foreign concept to me. So Iris is very obviously officially in 3 to 6 month clothes. Like, look how snug this fits. Oh my goodness, like she just had a little growth spurt lately because yeah, she cluster fed for like 4 days in a row. Oh my goodness. She ate like twice as often as she usually does. And yeah, now I think she might be almost a 6 month close. She's not even 3 months, guys. Hi. How are you? Yeah, you guys stop talking to me now that I got the camera out. Yeah, I know. Really? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I know. We're gonna stop looking at Mama now. Hi. What? Yeah? How you doing? Boom, 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 boom. Hello. How you doing today? Huh? Are you having an okay day? Huh? Tell us about your day. Huh? Tell me about your day. Really? Oh no. Oh. Okay. So you ever have those days where you just count down until nap time? Yeah, today was one of those days. And I've got so much stuff I need to do because we had a Super Bowl party over here. But I'm just not in the mood. We got a bunch of Mardi Gras beads. And instead of just, you know, throwing them out or having them sit uselessly in our house, I decided that I'm going to use them in some sensory beads. And so I'm going to occupy my time cutting them up, making some little sensory beads, because I've been meaning to do a little Mardi Gras themed one, and the purple one is kind of pathetic. Let's be honest, there's not that many beads in there. Like, it was to the point that I put some paper and she doesn't really play with the paper. So I'm just gonna take those out and add some purple beads and maybe some white beads since I have some white puff balls in there. If you don't know what a sensory box is, it's just a little container of some kind and then a filling like beads, rice, pasta, sand, and then you put some bigger objects and maybe some little scoops, spoons, measuring cups. Like I have, you know, this plastic egg that we got last Easter, and they just play in it. And yeah, like it occupies Ari sometimes for 10, 20 minutes. One time it was a good 30 minutes. Like I got dishes and cooking done while she was playing with it. So they're awesome. You should definitely do some if you have toddlers. Oh my goodness, they are great. Is it you? Say hi.
Uh-oh.
What is George running into the tripod? Yeah, you see you? That's the lens cap. Yes, Iris is asleep. Are you done sleeping? Yeah. Do you want to play with the bead box? What? Mm-hmm. That's the camera. Meatloaf! I don't really remember the exact proportions of carrots to meat because it's been a while since I made it, but doesn't it look yummy? Of course it's not cooked yet, duh. But yeah, that's one of those paleo recipes that I used to make a lot whenever I was pregnant for Ari and had really bad gestational diabetes. But our diet has definitely fallen on the wayside, and so we are trying to eat healthier, as I've said earlier. So I dug out my old paleo cookbook. We have my mother-in-law's Whole30 book because she wasn't using it, and so yeah. Okay, I don't think there's anything there. I looked under the oven and I didn't see anything. I don't know. Little kids are odd sometimes. But yeah, this is the one that I use, though I took some shortcuts. Like I didn't cut the carrots. I haven't done that in a while. I just buy a bag of carrot sticks. And obviously I did not know how many equals 3 carrots. I used to. I don't anymore. I just use seasoning blend for that. I don't like mushrooms, so I don't put mushrooms. I guesstimate spinach. We just use regular bratwurst sausage for that. It's a little difficult to find chorizo nearby. What you doing, ma'am? Yeah, Mama made you a little Mardi Gras sensory bin. Well, bead box. Huh. Oh. Want me to open it? Mm-hmm. Well, let's go pick up your purple one first, okay? There's still some beads on the floor. We gotta go pick it up before we open another one. Yeah, you're gonna pick in your nose? Alright. Guacamole toast! Because it's not really avocado toast whenever it's guacamole. Or is it? I don't know. I don't know the rules for that. What? You want to eat it? You want to try a bite? What's that? Try it. How about you take a bite of the bread? No, you're just gonna lick it off? Yeah. Awesome. That's how she eats sandwiches. That's how she eats anything on toast. She'll take her finger, swipe it off like that, and then maybe eat the bread. Huh, maybe. My hand is very shaky today, so I'm sorry if it ever gets shaky in this vlog. Oh my goodness, I look so bad, but I can't bring up the energy to go put on makeup. It's just one of those days. Oh, guys. Oh, does that taste good? Okay. Does that smell good? How about you take a bite of the carrot? No? Awesome. What you got? Can you say lightsaber? Lightsaber! Were you trying to put your socks on? Yeah? Who's on your sock? That's Belle. Can you say Belle? Yeah! You putting your sock on? Uh-huh. Do you need help? Can you say help, please? Okay, Mama's gonna help. Alright, come see. No, we're not putting our shoes on. It's dark outside. I thought you wanted your sock on. Do you want your sock? Well, how about you come over here so I can put your sock on? Come see. Your foot.
What's that?
What's that? That's the timer. Mama's got to go check on the sweet potatoes. So I'm going to need you to stay in here, okay? Because I got to open the oven and we don't want you running in there with the oven open. Bad things have happened before.
Oh, that was an unintentional pun. That was good.
Are you trying to roll over? Are you going to roll over? Not sure now that you see the camera? Oh, I know, it's so frustrating, huh? Really? You just ate. I mean, it's been an hour, but I thought we were done with cluster feeding. Are we not? You're munching down on that arm. Also, update. Yeah, so I obviously changed shirts. Oh, she stood up all over me. Hi. Ari, you want to show your friends your toenails? Yeah? Show your toenails. Yeah, we painted it blue. Oh. You're blowing on them. Your pretty toenails. Stop. Oh. Pretty toenails. Today was a day. So I figured I'd finish it off and give Ari kind of sort of mani-pedi. I say that. I cut her fingernails and toenails and painted her toenails. But she's very excited about her nails. Oh. What color are your toes right now? They're blue? Yeah. She really likes saying the word purple. But whenever I asked her if she wanted pink or blue, she chose blue. So she's got blue toenails. I think we're gonna close the video out. You ready to tell everyone night-night? Say night-night. Night-night. Bye, guys.